Hello po sa inyong lahat and welcome back po dito sa Automathing. So for this video, pag-uusapan po natin ang adding and subtracting polynomials. So ito pong tatlong example po dito ang pag-uusapan po natin. So ang pinakauna is 5p squared minus 3, okay, plus quantity 2p squared minus 3p cubed. So ito po, simple lang, para lang po tayong nag-add ng mga the normal numbers. So, i-rewrite lang po natin siya without the parentheses. So, p or 5p squared minus 3, okay, plus, so kasi plus yan, so copy lang din natin yung second natin na term, minus 3p cubed. Pagkatapos po nun, you have to combine like terms. What do you mean by like terms? Kung sino po yung magkaparehas po yung variable and exponent. Gaya po nito, magkaparehas si 5p2 squared, so p2 squared at saka p2 squared. So sila po yung i-combine ninyo. Kung ito, si p cube, wala po siyang kaparehas na p cube, ang gagawin nyo lang is to rewrite. So 3, negative 3p cube. Ito rin, 3 lang siya, so copy lang natin. At ang magkaparehas ay si 5p2. Okay? So, ang magkaparehas dito, p squared at saka p squared. So, ito siya. So, sila yung i-combine ninyo. 5 plus 2, that is 7. So, p squared. So, copy nyo lang po si p squared. Pagkatapos po nun, ay i-rewrite nyo lang po ang inyong answer in the right way. So, ang tama pong paraan is dapat una nyo pong isulat yung pinakamataas na exponent. So, this time is 3. Pagkatapos, si 7p squared, last na po si 3. So, this time, ito po ang ating final answer. So, punta na po tayo sa second example. Meron po tayo ditong a cubed minus 2a squared minus 3a squared minus 4a cubed. So, dito po makikita nyo negative po yan. So, una, copy po natin. So, kanina addition yon, ngayon subtraction. Copy muna natin itong a cubed minus 2a squared without the parenthesis. So, ito pong negative dito, ang gagawin nyo po is i-distribute nyo po siya isa-isa dito sa loob ng second term po natin. So, magiging negative 3a squared. So, ito minus negative times negative, that's positive. So, magiging positive 4a cubed po yan. So, yun po yung difference between adding and subtracting the polynomials. Kung negative, dapat you have to multiply or distribute the negative sign. So, ngayon, hanapin na natin yung magkaparehas. We have there a3. Meron din po ditong 4a3, both positive. So, ma-add siya together. So, magiging 5a cubed. Okay? Pagkatapos, itong dalawa, parehas din po silang may a squared. So, negative, negative, magiging negative 5a squared. So, ganun po. So, this is now our final answer for example number 2. So, for our third example, meron tayo ditong 8n minus 3n to the fourth plus 10n squared. So, itong negative po dito, again, we will distribute that po isa-isa. So, itong 3n, okay, magiging minus 3n squared. Itong plus 11n, magiging negative. So, 11n to the fourth. Itong negative 7, magiging positive 7. So, yun po ang dapat yung i-take note if you are subtracting polynomials. Tapos, i-combine lang po natin kung sino yung magkaparehas na variable with same din po ang kanyang exponent. So, this time, meron tayong 3n to the fourth at 11n to the fourth. So, that's negative 14n to the fourth. Wala po tayong raised to 3. So, meron tayong raised to 2 or n squared. So, that's positive 7. Okay, n squared. Kasi 10 minus 3, that's 7. Copy nyo lang po yung n squared. Tapos, wala pong kaparehas kay 8n. So, copy lang natin si 8n. Tapos, copy lang din natin si 7. So, yan na po yung answer natin for this example. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-add at mag-subtract po ng polynomials para lang po kayo nag-add and nag-subtract ng mga normal numbers. Hanapin nyo lang po kung alin ang kanyang or kung meron siyang kaparehas na variable with the same pa rin po na exponent at gawin nyo lang po is to add or subtract depende po sa kanyang arithmetic operation. So, ganun lang po ang gagawin. I hope ay meron po kayong natutunan and see you po on my next video.